Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a massive beach project for Montego Bay, for St. James. They are going to spend US $5 million to build a public beach in Success in Rose Hall. The redevelopment of Success Beach in Rose Hall. It's going to become a world-class facility, similar to that beach, Harmony Beach in Harmony Park in Montego Bay, but this one might even be bigger. Now, the Rose Hall area, the Elegant Corridor out by Lilliput, Success, all the way back into Montego Bay, booming with activity. Billions of US dollars being spent to build hotels. And every time these hotels go up, people always complain about beach access. There are so many beaches in Jamaica. I'll never understand why people are complaining about a hotel beach. So there are lots of areas where you can have beaches in Jamaica, free public beaches. But the problem is nobody maintains those areas. Look at Hellshire. Half the beach, if not 3/4 of the beach, is gone because it was not maintained properly. The proper environmental measures were not put in place. So it's not, but let's leave that alone. So they are putting up a lot of hotels out here and they're going to build a world-class public beach facility. That is the problem. The building of the beach facilities and the maintaining of them, the government needs to do more for the public beaches around Jamaica. People can't be complaining about hotel beaches because those beaches are but let's leave that alone. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this new beach in Success Rose Hall. The announcement of the US $700 million Moon Palace Grand Montego Bay Resort has drawn significant attention for its scale, luxury, and economic potential. Yet one of the most socially impactful components lies beyond the resort's blueprints: the planned redevelopment of Success Beach in Rose Hall into a world-class public facility. This initiative speaks directly to one of Jamaica's most enduring and sensitive national issues: public access to the island's beaches. For decades, the growth of tourism and private developments along Jamaica's coastline has raised tension over who truly has the right to enjoy the nation's shores. While Jamaica's laws guarantee that all beaches are public by right, in practice, they have been effectively inaccessible due to hotel-controlled entry points, high fees, or limited infrastructure. This has led to a sense of exclusion among locals, especially in resort-heavy areas like Montego Bay, where some of the island's most beautiful beaches are within gated properties. The Moon Palace plan, in partnership with the Tourism Enhancement Fund, promises to change the experience for the surrounding community by transforming Success Beach into a facility on par with Montego Bay's Harmony Beach Park. This means not just clean sand and clear water, but amenities such as lifeguards, restrooms, changing areas, children's play zones, and possibly small business kiosks. These enhancements would allow families, youth groups, and community organizations to enjoy the beach in comfort and safety without the prohibitive costs often associated with private resorts. Prime Minister Andrew Holness, in endorsing this project, emphasized that every Jamaican must have access to the island's beaches, signaling a broader governmental push to reclaim and upgrade public coastal spaces. The redevelopment of Success Beach can therefore be seen as part of a larger movement to ensure that the economic benefits of tourism do not come at the expense of local enjoyment of natural resources. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.